Okay, go. The leaves are moving. Why do you think the leaves are moving, guys?
Because they're flat.
Because they're flat? Why else?
Because they're flat, because the leaves, because you know why the things no.
So you got the leaves to go. What else? What do you need to do now?
Do that.
Yep, you gotta move them with your hands because they were heavier than the leaves, so the wind couldn't move them, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So can you move the ladder too, Avery, please?
Okay.
But remember, it's too heavy. The wind can't move it. So what do you have to do? Pick it up, right? Because it's what?
A ladder.
And it. Oh.
I'll fix it.
Okay. Now remember what you have to do with the people?
Lay them down. Oh, wait.
But remember, you're gonna have a picnic. So where does the blanket need to go?
Right.
Yep. Can you give Avery the? You're gonna put the ladder on the tree?
Yes.
Why are you doing that?
Because so the people can climb.
They can climb the tree. That's great.
Let's have a picnic over here. Then they can walk. And then they can go boop, 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 boop.
So what do you do when you have a picnic?
Let's pick up all the fake leaves.
The leaves are moving. Why are the leaves moving, guys?
Because they're too thin. I got one!
Yay, they're too thin. And what is another word for that? Are they heavy? Are they heavy or are they light?
Light. Light. They're flat.
They are flat, you're right.
Oh my gosh, I got it!
Yay!
Oh, I just knocked
So what
it.
do we need to do now with the ladder? How are we going to move the ladder?
Pick it up.
And why are we picking?
I just knocked down those things.
That's okay. So why did you have to pick up the ladder? Because it's what?
Way too heavy.
Way too heavy. So
Can
now
we play off that game?
we're going to play the game after, Carter. Remember what? You got to have a picnic. So where do you need to put the blanket? If you're having a picnic, where does it go?
Near the tree.
Near the tree. You want to move the blanket? Good job, Avery. So what do you do when you have a picnic, Carter?
You lay down a blanket and put food out.
You put food out?
We did with Gianna and Nikki one day, and we got soup. So
You had a picnic outside? Avery, what do you do when you have a picnic?
play.
You play? What else do you do at a picnic?
And I play a game with my daddy and mommy. Then I go in my pool.
Yeah, did you eat at your picnic? Yeah.
I eat
So-
my tea. I don't like my tea, but I drink my water.
You drink your water. So, Avery and Carter, can you come back over to the table, please? Really quick, and then we'll be all done. So why did the leaves move?
Because they were too thin and too flat and too windy. Windy. Flat.
They were
and
too
too windy too.
They were-
Thin.
thin, or what word did I say? Light?
Yeah, light and flat.
And why did why'd you have to move the ladder with your hands?
Because it was too heavy.
Right, Avery? It was too what?
Ow, heavy.
Too heavy. Okay. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Don't hit the tree, please.
Is this real wood?
Too heavy. Okay. Can you say bye?